Hello guys, let us learn about indices today. As you can see, we have this expression here, ax power 4 plus bx power 3 plus cx power 2 plus dx plus 1. As you can see, these small numbers here, 4, 3, 2, and then there is x. Upon x there is 1. So these small numbers are indices. 4, 3, 2, 1 are indices. So if we look at every term, so you can see in the first term x4 has index 4, x3 has index 3, and x2 has index 2, x1 has index 1. Although it doesn't seem there is any power, but if it is not there, so that means there is 1 on the top of x. So index is the power to which a number is raised to. So for example, 5 power 4. So here 4 is the index and 5 is the base. Now index is another word for power or exponent. So we can use either power or exponent or indices. You should not get confused with that. So index indicates basically how many times a base is multiplied by itself, like how many times you multiply something. As I told you earlier, in 5, if 5 power 4, that means 5 is multiplied by itself 4 times. Okay, so now this base may be a number or a variable. This base, like here 5 is a base, so it may be a number, like this example here, 4 cubed. 4 is base and 3 is the exponent, and 3 is repeated 3 times. 4 times 4 times 4. If we take variable, instead of a number we can take x power 5. So x is base here and 5 is exponent. So x is multiplied 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So that makes this x power 5. Now let us move to laws of indices or exponents. What rules we will use to do the calculations. The first one is a power m times a power n equals to a m plus n. What does that mean? If we have base same, you can see a and a, base is same and we have a multiplication sign in the middle, so we will add the powers. For example, I can give example here. So like you have here 5 power 4 times 5 power 3. So our answer will be 4 plus 3, which is 7. So final answer will be 7. Next, second rule, if you have base same and there is division sign in the middle, then we will subtract the powers, like m minus n. So if we take the example, so you can see here, I can take same example, 5 power 4 divided by 5 power 3. So when you divide this, then we are gonna subtract the powers. So this is 5 power 1. Third one is, if base has a power and then another power as a whole, so then we will multiply the powers. So it can be cleared by the example here, 5 power 4, outside we have 3, so we will multiply the powers, 4 times 3, which is 12. Then fourth one, a power n equals to a power negative n equals to 1 over a power n. That means if we have 5, let's say its power is negative 4, this can be written as 1 over 5 power 4. And the other one, a power 0 is 1. If we have any number raised to power 0, this will always be 1. So students always ask, how is this? Like what we said like power tells you how many times you are repeating something. So you are not repeating 5, so that means your answer is 1. Let us take more examples with the variables, not the numbers now. So if we have, let's say I have x power 3 times x power 4. Again we have base same, although we don't know what is that. This is in x, so base is same, so we will add the powers because there is a multiplication sign in the middle, so it will become x power 7. So this is for the multiplication. Now we can take this division also. X divided by x power 5 divided by x power 3. So now as you can see there is division sign there, so we will subtract the powers. X 5 minus 3, so final answer is x power 2. I hope you understood that. So next let us take another example. So x power 3, then outside there is another power 2. So now we will multiply the indices, so which will give you final answer x power 6. Okay, so you can see the rules that we applied with the numbers, same can be applied to the variables also. Another example, x power 6 divided by x power 6. Again we will subtract the powers, so it is x power 0. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. Now you may have another kind of example, x power 7 divided by x power 6 equals to x power 7 minus 6. We will subtract the powers as there is division sign there, so it is x power 1, so we will leave it as x because there is only power 1, so we are repeating it once only. So I hope you understood this. If you have anything to ask me, you can comment me, I can answer on that. Thank you so much.